Hello, today we're going to talk about constructing geometric solids, and this is just a continuation basically of our last unit, our last lesson I should say, on geometric solids. We're going to go over some vocabulary at first, so if you would go ahead and start taking some notes. The first word that we want to talk about is the word polyhedron, and a polyhedron is a geometric solid whose surfaces are all formed by polygons. And we have the word prism, which is named for the shape of their two parallel bases. So a geometric solid is called a prism based on the two parallel bases that it has. And it's called a pyramid if it has the same number of faces as it does vertices. Okay, so those are our three vocabulary words we want to touch on today: polyhedron, prism, and pyramids. Okay, so let's take a look at what was I talking about. If I say that the base, how do I know if it's a prism, or how do I know if it's a pyramid? If you look at the base of this particular geometric solid, it is shaped like a triangle. So since it's shaped like a triangle, and it has a base of a triangle, we call it a triangle or prism. Sorry about that. I was trying to focus on what I want to say here. And then down here at the bottom, and this is not a very good diagram, I apologize for my drawing, but this base is basically a rectangle shape, and then we have a rectangle shape on top, so those bases are parallel to one another, so that makes this a rectangular prism. Okay? So, what I would like to do is I want you to think about the characteristics of different geometric shapes, and I have some riddles for you to see if you can't figure out which shape I'm talking about. Okay? So our first riddle is, I am a geometric solid. Okay? I have 6 faces. All of my faces are squares. What am I? Bum, 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 bum. Did you guess cube? That would be correct. So this would be a cube. Next riddle. I am a geometric solid. I have 2 surfaces. My base is formed by a circle. I come to a point at the top. This sounds kind of yummy. I wonder which one that is. What am I? Ba, 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 ba. Did you guess cone? Yes. That would be correct. Take a look at number 3. I threw a new word there. Polyhedron. I think that was a vocab word I just gave you. I have the fewest number of faces of all polyhedrons. All of my faces are triangular. I come to a point at the top. What am I? Ba, 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 ba. Did you guess triangular pyramid? Yes. Triangular pyramid for this one. Okay? Fourth riddle. I am a polyhedron. I have 2 triangular bases. My other faces are rectangles. Sometimes I am used for keeping doors open. What am I? I think we have some of those at school. What are those called? Ba, 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 ba. My cat's trying to answer the question. If you guess triangular prism, that would be correct. Okay, so why the difference here between pyramid and prism? Well, let's look at our clues. This said I had the fewest number of faces of all polyhedrons. Says all of the faces are triangular. This one says that I have 2 triangular, but the rest are rectangles. So that is the difference there, why we have one that was a triangular pyramid and one that was a triangular prism. Okay? So, what did we talk about today? Well, we talked about riddles, how we can identify different geometric shapes. We talked about the term polyhedron and prism. So I'm going to pull those back up here for a minute in case you didn't get them. Okay, and how do we know if it's a prism or a pyramid? And remember, if it's a prism, the base at the top and the base at the bottom are going to be parallel to one another. So if I have a triangle at the top and a triangle at the bottom, they're parallel, which makes it a prism. If it's a pyramid, it's going to have the same number of faces as it does vertices. So that's kind of tricky there. But anyway, you'll be building some shapes in class to go along with this lesson. And hopefully you enjoyed the riddles because those are kind of fun. And I will see you next time.